Do you want to set up a Zoho business email? Zoho Mail is one of the best options out there for businesses for all sizes. It's affordable, ad-free, packed with features, and surprisingly easy to set up. In this guide, we'll walk you through the entire Zoho Mail business email setup process from start to finish. And yes, if you need more help, feel free to call the numbers on display for one-on-one expert assistance. Now, let's begin with the steps. Go ahead and search for Zoho Email for Businesses on your browser. After that, select the first option from the open results. On the home page, choose the pricing option. Then, scroll down to Forever Free Plan option and click on the Sign Up Now option. When you're on the screen, complete all the details and choose the Sign Up button. After that, you will receive an OTP to your email. Enter it here and click on Verify. Once that's done, the welcome screen will pop up. There, you will see two options for domain setup. We will choose the Add Existing Domain option. Since I assume you have one, if you don't have one, then you can choose otherwise. Next, enter all the details about your domain and click on Add Now button. After that, your domain will be successfully added. Now, click on Proceed button to verify your domain. Well done if you have completed these steps. Also, if you're finding these steps easy to follow, then make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. After that, you will see a page like this open on your screen. What you need to do is to copy the txt record. Now, you should open the DNS zone editor for your domain and choose your domain name from the drop-down. Go ahead and choose the ad type and choose txt record. Next, paste the record value and type @ in the record name. Then, simply click on the Save Record option. After that, head back to the Zoho Portal tab and click on the Verify TXT Record option. Finally, the verification completion screen will appear. After that, you can create other emails if you like, using your domain name. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.